To insert a video in Google Docs, start by opening Google Slides. First, head over to Google Drive, click on New, and select Google Slides. Once Google Slides is open, navigate to the Insert menu and click on Video. You can now search for the video or find it in your Google Drive. Once you've located the video, click on it and select Insert. After the video appears in your slide, right-click on it and choose Copy. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+C. Then go back to Google Drive and open your document. In your document, choose Insert from the drop-down menu and select Drawing. Click on New Drawing. Inside the Drawing tab, go to Actions and click Paste. You can also use Ctrl+V to paste. The video will now be embedded in the drawing. Click Save and Close. Your video is now successfully inserted into your Google Docs. To play the video, double-click on it. This will open the Drawing tab, where you can double-click on Play. This action will play the video. Thank you.